Ali was a quiet boy. He lived in a small town and studied in a government school. He was not very good at English, maths, or science. Because of this, many students laughed at him. Every morning, Ali woke up early. He helped his mother clean the house. Then he walked to school with old shoes and a heavy bag. In class, he always sat on the last bench. Ali wanted to become a teacher one day, but when he told others about his dream, they laughed. "Someone like you can never be a teacher," they said. These words hurt Ali, but he did not reply. One day, the English teacher gave homework. She said, "Tomorrow, everyone will read one paragraph in English." Ali felt scared. He could not read English well. That night, he thought about skipping school. But then his mother said, "Ali, success does not come in one day. Take one small step every day." Her words stayed in his heart. That night, Ali opened his English book. He read one line again and again. He made mistakes, but he did not stop. Slowly, he understood the words. The next day, when the teacher called his name, Ali stood up with shaking hands. He read slowly. His voice was not perfect. Some students laughed, but the teacher raised her hand and said, "Stop laughing. Learning is not about speed. It is about courage." Ali finished reading. The teacher smiled and said, "Well done, Ali. You tried." That day, something changed inside him. From that day on, Ali followed one rule, one small step every day. He read English for 10 minutes daily. He wrote 5 new words in a notebook. He practiced speaking in front of the mirror. Months passed. Ali's English improved. His confidence grew. 1 year later, the same students who laughed started asking him for help. Ali did not feel proud. He felt thankful. Years later, Ali became a teacher. On his first day, he wrote one sentence on the board: "Small steps can change your life." Lesson of the story: never stop trying, even if progress is slow. Small daily efforts create big success. Believe in yourself, even when others don't. Subscribe for more interesting